Thank you, Tracy. That little lady's pretty big. You know it, Bruce? Yes. You anxious to hear her tonight. Well, now if these two old gentlemen out there, and I would call them something else, but then I'm not allowed to do that. The old duffers, there we are. We got the old duffers down there. Get these flags down, we'll get flying. George has got the yellow airplane out there with the big flag, and Bill Hedrick has the red and white sea craft.
Right there.